Today we have a newcomer in the mechanical keyboard scene, in which I personally find interesting among this continuously growing hobby. We're looking at the KR-081 from Qeeke. This is a fully built keyboard that you can modify and customize. Today we're going to take a quick review and see what this is like out of the box. This board comes with a lot of features that can really suit anyone. I don't want to sound like a brochure, so I won't name everything it can do, but I can point out the features that I like. First off, the board is completely aluminum. It features a fully programmable hot swap PCB with support for screw-in stabilizers. The board is gasket mount. It can connect via Bluetooth or USB dongle or wired. The USB dongle is built into the case and magnetic. There's two 4,000 milliamp batteries, which is insane. And lastly, the exploded 75% layout, which I am a big fan of. The board comes complete with a set of Gatoron switches and JDA profile PBT die sub keycaps. There's also supposed to be a coiled cable included in the packaging. Mine didn't get one since it's still being developed, and this is a pre-production unit. The packaging is very nice with a lot of foam, which I appreciate. It certainly feels special with the unboxing experience. As far as I know, the board only comes in one color. The finish is pretty much perfect. I do like the black accent around the edge, and I do like the rounded corners as well. Underneath the case is a nice Qeeke logo, which is executed well, and on the front of the case are RGB LEDs, which I think make the design a bit busy. I would have preferred it to be pure aluminum. I also wish the toggles on the side of the case for connectivity were black instead of red to make this go along with more themes of keycaps. It does have a sort of Iron Man colorway to it. In its stock form, the design is cohesive, but a bit busy, however unique looking. The plate is polycarbonate with an internal silicone layer underneath the plate, and there's PCB foam underneath the PCB as well. The PCB is north facing. I do wish it was south facing for better keycap profile clearance. Other than that, the build quality, material quality is exceptional for a fully built keyboard. Let's hear a sound test in its completely stock form. For Gatoron red switches and unlubed stabilizers, I think this thing sounds pretty dang amazing. There is a subtle flex to the typing experience, but it is very soft and dampened with the choice of materials laid out here. The sound is also very even with the gasket mount design. Overall, there isn't a lot to complain about. The price right now for pre-orders is $250, which I think is a very fair price for what it is. I do wish there was a bare bones unit available as well, and some other colors. However, this is the first product from Qeeke, so those changes may come in time. Honestly, for a first go, I'm very impressed by the product alone. I haven't had a chance to test out the software with the limited time I have for this review, so do keep that in mind. I'm very impressed with this, and hopefully I can build this out on a live stream in the future. Anyways, there may be a discount code below in the description. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.